Hello, today I have a Dexter Deadbolt lock. I will show you the other half of it. It's a old Dexter Deadbolt. Screw been drilled out. The key is quite challenging. It's a key that I made and it works. But we don't need keys. Go top of the keyway. Short hook. I will apply counterclockwise tension because these locks often are installed in a way that you have to pick them counterclockwise most of the time. And I will just try to find a bind-up. Heavy tension. Number 3 is set. Number 4. Number 5. Number 1, I think. Here we go. Open. Now I will got it. Show you what's inside. So I will just set my phone right there. I will just modify my fixture a little bit. It's hard when you don't have a tripod and just use a drill press vise and with this dollar store selfie stick jam in there. So let me jam that in my vise. So they are all standard pins. I will get the cylinder out of there. Set that aside. You can just push it out of there. Oh, fly out. Just a Dexter 5-pin kick cylinder. Push the little detent and I will unscrew it. Sorry for messing around with that. Always a pain to remove on these cylinders. If I can find the right tool someday. Let's bring it out. So I will use the key because since I lock it back together, dicking around with the back ring. I will use a my half-inch rod follower. There we go. So all 5 key pins are there. I won't dump them because they are quite sticky. Somebody used some oil in this lock. Never a good thing. Dump the pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All standard pins. Still eagle.